Hello everyone. So I was looking at this question on the community from Emily, and the question is about sending some reminders about, let us say, set of issues where if the issues are not really closed or for whatever reason, if there is no update, maybe you want to send reminder emails to people. Now, if you look at the question here from Emily, Emily is talking about the rule which she is able to configure. Of course, you can schedule, you can basically create a rule that will run on the basis of a scheduler, which you can configure. And whenever this particular scheduler will run, it will do something based on, let us say, JQL. And for Emily, the rule is working fine, but what Emily is saying here is that the rule will send an email for each and every issue. So if in the JQL that you write to retrieve those issues that are probably not, maybe those issues were not really updated for the past 2 days, 3 days, whatever. So basically for each and every issue, the email will be sent, which might not be ideal because you are spamming people, or maybe you want to receive just one email. That is what she is trying to do. Now let me show you the rule as well. So if you configure a rule using something like schedule, which is, of course, you can configure the frequency here. Now you have the option to run a JQL, like, something like priority is equal to high, whatever. And the thing that you need to be aware of is whenever you are using this particular kind of rule where you are using a JQL to send or maybe do something with those issues returned by the JQL, this this particular rule or whatever you do next will happen on each and every issue. So it says here very clearly, your automation rule will perform actions on all issues returned in the above query. Now there is a very simple alternative. If you just want to, let us say, get a list of all the issues, maybe those issues are probably in a specific status for a couple of days, or maybe there is no update, or whatever reason, you can actually use a filter subscription. So if you go to your search, if you go to your issue navigator, you can of course create a filter, and I think it is a very common thing to do, but let me show you very quickly. So let us say there are issues like, maybe you have a filter called assigned to me. So right now I have 3 issues. Now in your email, you want these 3 issues, not really individual emails for 3 issues separately, which can be annoying if you can just have one list. So what you can do, you can click on the details and you can go to new subscription. Then you can specify, maybe you want to receive a personal subscription, or maybe you want to send this email to someone like a group, which you can configure here. And you can of course set up your frequency. Maybe you want to receive this email every day or every week, whatever. And that is it. Just click on the subscribe button and it will start sending you emails based on this subscription. So every day you will receive an email, and this will of course be a table instead of one email instead of multiple emails. And I thought I'll probably talk about it because automation rules are great, but sometimes you can do things natively in a better way. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you. Thank you very much.